Are you looking to customize your website with the GeneratePress theme? Well, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll be showing you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. This is a before and after. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Appearance menu on the left side of the screen and click on GeneratePress. Click on the Site Library. Import the marketer template. Import the JSON file. I will give a link in the description. Go to the Appearance menu and click on the Customize button. Click on Additional CSS. Copy the additional CSS code. I will give a link in the description. Paste in the additional CSS code in the box. Click on the Publish button. You've now successfully customized GeneratePress theme. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tutorials.